I'm gonna try to do my makeup in 10 minutes. I say try because I don't really know how long it takes. Sometimes I like doze off, but to be fair, that's just in the morning. I give myself 30 minutes to get ready in the morning. And with that, I'm like, I know the outfit that I'm gonna wear the night before. I take like 6 minutes to brush my teeth, fix my hair, and put deodorant on, and I'm out. And then I like halfway dress, do my makeup, get the rest of it, jacket, purse, we're out. So it's pretty streamlined at this point. These are a couple of new things that I've gotten. Yeah, I'm gonna have a stopwatch running the second that I just pump anything on my hand, and let go. All right. So I just started to use the Master Prime from Maybelline. Just because it says hydrate and smooth, I'm all about that. It honestly also feels like the Too Faced Hangover Primer a little bit. Like, I haven't broken up from this, and that's awesome. So that's nice. I hate this. I've been like having some granola, and the granola that I have has a little bit of nuts in it, and that kind of makes me break out. So I can't really be eating it, and it sucks. So this is the BB cream I'm talking about. It's Joah? Yeah, I don't know. Another brand that I've just came across at CVS. So I just put it on my sponge and then just dab it on. The coverage of this compared to like Fenty foundation, Fenty covers a lot more, but I feel like this cream just gets rid of a bit of like greenness on my upper lip, a little bit of red in my eye area, and then definitely my under eye. Like, it definitely gets that out. So yeah, I mean, look, skin is looking great. It's looking awesome. The pores are gone. I'm doing like a little bit of like pauses in between, but honestly in the morning you're like either going at the speed of light and then you just crash really hard. I also just started using this Maybelline Super Stay Stick, and it's been pretty great. Like, I've really dug using this thing. I'm gonna put it here and here and here. I like this little sponge, but sometimes I use my pink sponge for it with a little bit of rose water in there because that kind of feels a little bit nice. Just there, I kind of get a little bit of texture here from like loose eyebrow hairs when I haven't gone to get them threaded after a while. But yeah, like this sponge is pretty, it's alright. It's decent. Like, if I had to pack this and this is all I had, I'd be fine. Just use that. And I just key that in. And the skin's done. Like, that's it. It's wonderful. So, I really like to do my bronzer before I put anything else on. And again, I had to turn around to get my brushes because I forgot. So this is also another Maybelline City Bronzer. I know that my bronzer has some color on there from any other bronzer that I've used beforehand, but they're honestly like the same color, so it just meshes, right? So we just add a little bit of warmth to my skin because I'm so pale in the morning. Oh yeah, this is a stupid step that I do. Just to put some color in my eyes when I can't put anything else on. And yeah, there's normally like a lot of shifter around too because I bring out all the products and I leave them there until I come back or it's the weekend. I just got this Almay blush. It looks cute. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm blushing so much. That's actually pretty cute. It's got like 3 colors on there. I don't know how that works, but I mean, the stars are adorable. Okay. Oh, right. Shit, I forgot about this. I also got a Joah setting powder. I forgot the step, you guys. I like to put that on too, just to seal everything. Why am I shaking? Oh my god. So I know the timer's on. I can't see the time, so we'll just see at the end how well I do. In terms of eyebrows. Oh shit, that's pretty strong. It's not that bad. I just picked this up because the only other thing I use is the Brow Wiz. That's Milani. I kind of feel more confident with the brush because the Brow Wiz brush is so flimsy. That thing broke on me after like a month. So it's not bad. I mean, I would not fill them in this dark. I just went a little ham with that. So we got foundation, bronzer, blush on there. I do highlighter at the end. Got the little City Mini palette. And we're just gonna put like the smallest amount of color on there. I tend to do my eyes at work because I've learned that when I sleep on my bus. It takes like an hour for my bus to get into the city. So, you know, if I put anything on there, especially mascara or liner, you're like this the whole time. Even like tighter because you're sleeping. Your eyes are just so heavy. And I'll wake up, that stuff's messy and all over the place. So, I mean, it's kind of faint, but it's day-to-day stuff. I don't put on a lot. Yeah. Just gonna curl that. So I could definitely just cut off like the minute that it's taking me to do this, because I just do it at work in the bathroom once I drop off my stuff. I like to curl it. It picks my eyes up a bit. My eyelashes are a bit rough because I just got done putting some lashes on there, so the glue's still kind of there. Kind of sucks. And then again, I also just have a bunch of little mini mascara things in my bag. I usually take this little thing too just to get out all the clunkiness on there. We're almost done, you guys, and it's looking decent. So I carry a smaller highlighter, but I just wanted to put that on. Oh my god, it's so nice. I hope it picks up. I love this highlighter so much. This whole quad thing is like amazing. I need to start using it more. And once we're done with that, let's just polish off some things. Oh right, lippy. Okay. I've really been enjoying, well, I really like this one from Maybelline. Color Sensational, I think that's Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. But I'm just gonna put on Crazy for Coffee Maybelline lipstick. I put on a lot of nudes for work just so that it's like not that strong or bright unless I want it to, but just day to day, it's like this is just fine. A little bit of lip topper. This is like super effort, actually. Oh man. Clip off. Fix hair. Put on earrings. Wear. And with that, I'm out the door. Stop. Oh, hey! 9 minutes, 26 seconds with 25 milliseconds, or 26.25 seconds. Yes! So we beat, or got less than 10 minutes. I'm so glad. And that's in between like talking. and pausing and like, what the fuck? Like I totally forgot how to do everything. Yeah, I just got a little bit of gloss on me. So that's it. That's my day to day. I don't put a lot on. Sometimes I put a little bit of liner on the end of my eyes when I just have a cute outfit going on. But since I'm pretty much at a desk and it's like insanely casual, like especially because it's winter time, like you're just running out with jeans and a sweater because it's like justified the needs to be warm. I'm wearing boots. I can't necessarily wear like a nice top with that. So just make this up and then have a hoodie or a light cardigan on with jeans and functional footwear, especially on the East Coast. Through the day, I just get like a little blotting powder thing. And literally it takes me like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're done. We're not oily anymore. Skin's looking fine. Looking presentable, not tired, nothing shifts. And that's it. We did it under 10 minutes. I'm so happy. Yeah. I hope you guys have a good week and or weekend, depending on when I post this up. Enjoy the weather wherever you are. It's snowy out here. I'm looking out and it's like super bright lighting because it's like a cloudy sky and then on the ground it's just white. So it's just that intense high contrast lighting is coming in. Well, we're making it work. It's fine. So yeah, stay warm or just stay comfortable. If you're in hot weather, lucky you. So yeah. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know some other challenges that I could take on. That'd be really fun. I'll look around. Yeah. Bye guys. Fantastic.